More than 30 years have passed since the advent of blue LEDs. Gallium nitride, a semiconductor that illuminated the new century with blue light, is once again attracting attention as a key material destined to change the future of electric power.
I started working at GaN devices around 2006, more than 15 years ago. The strength of GaN as a next-generation power device lies in its high-speed switching capability in the megahertz band, resulting in high expectations for use in fields such as data communication and AI deep learning, where power demand is anticipated to increase exponentially in the future. Although GaN has been attracting attention from manufacturers worldwide for some time, there have been a number of long-standing issues, including difficulty in producing high-quality, inexpensive crystals, and low-rated gate voltage that make it challenging to drive. ROHM is working on R&D to establish GaN as the third pillar following silicon and silicon carbide, after having commercialized LED manufacturing using GaN. However, things didn't go as planned, and to be honest, there were times where we almost gave up. Feedback from customers in the field steered us in a slightly different direction. While improving the performance of GaN alone is important, the feedback suggested that developing a single package solution would also incorporate a driver IC will ensure worry-free operation by customers. In this respect, since ROHM excels not only in discretes but analog ICs as well, we decided to give it another try. So we started development with the goal of commercialization as an in-house venture.
The first challenge we tackled was, how strong can we make the gate? Although there's a measure to introduce gate resistance, doing so would slow down switching speed, reducing the advantage over silicon devices. Therefore, we started by building a structure to increase withstand voltage, but it was difficult to balance quality and productivity, so we continued development up to a level that required a re-examination of the manufacturing equipment.
One major reason we were able to achieve triple the voltage margin was establishing the development site right next to ROHM Hamamatsu's LED production line and silicon IC processing unit, allowing us to fully absorb the expertise accumulated over the years.
At the same time, the development of driver ICs proceeded at a breakneck pace. Currently, there are a few dedicated GaN gate driver ICs on the market. So we adopted and commercialized a new circuit that maximizes the potential of GaN. We're also developing modules that combine a driver IC and GaN, with plans to release them as well.
At the same time, ROHM is working on the commercialization of controllers for GaN that leverage original nanopulse control technology. Combining with GaN enables the generation of unprecedentedly short pulse widths, making it possible to reduce conventional two-stage converter circuits to a single stage. In the future, we hope to integrate everything in a single package.
Not many manufacturers in the world are capable of producing both GaN and ICs. We will continue to add more user-friendly power stage ICs utilizing evaluation boards such as this that leverage ROHM's strengths. So please, look out for ROHM GaN devices in the future.